In this lesson, we'll learn how to make images responsive. Based on how they're displayed, we divide all images into two parts: IMG type and background type. IMG type means images displayed using the IMG tag. Background type means images displayed using the background property. We'll start with the IMG tag. You should find this web page rather familiar. It's an integration of the responsive web page and the responsive navigation bar. Between the header and the main area, we want to add a gallery, and most importantly, images displayed inside that gallery should be responsive as well. So, what should we do? Well, first, we add HTML codes. Between the header div and the main area div, we insert a new div. We assign a class to the new div, Gallery. Inside the Gallery div, we put an IMG tag and display an image using it. The first problem we need to deal with is the location of the image. We want to move it to the horizontal center of the browser window. We've already learned how to do that in our previous lessons. If you don't remember how to do it, please review previous lessons. In CSS, we select the Gallery div and assign Text Align Center to it. Now the image has been relocated to the browser window center. But making an image displayed by the IMG tag responsive is really simple. All you need to do is set its width to a percentage value, and its size will automatically change with its parent div. You don't even need to worry about its height. Its height will change together with its width. In the two media queries, we select the IMG tag and set its width to 100%. We can see that the image has now adjusted its size according to a different browser window size. Nowadays, more and more images are being displayed using the background property. In the following lessons, you'll learn how to switch image files based on different device screens. Compared with the IMG tag, the biggest advantage of the background property is that it allows us to directly control the image file from CSS. You'll know why this is a great feature later. But this doesn't mean that the IMG tag is out of date. An IMG tag allows you to set properties like alt, title, etc. This can help your website achieve a better SEO ranking. Therefore, there's no fixed rule about which method you should choose. It all depends on your actual needs. We've learned how to use the background property in our previous lessons, but in this lesson, we'll explore another side of it. When displaying images using the background property, we should first create a window. The window is usually made of an empty div, but that div must have a clear width and height setting. Usually, the icon image is a lot larger than the window, but today we're going to explore the other situation. The window is bigger than the image. First, we create an empty div and set its width and height to 600 pixel. Then we set a background to it. The image used as the background is 400 pixel by 400 pixel. Therefore, before refreshing the page, we set Background Repeat to none. We can see the image is now located at the top left corner of the window. The first challenge is how do we move the image to the horizontal and vertical center of the window? Well, we've got many choices. We can set the value of the background position property to center. Alternatively, we can assign 1 or 2 of 50% to the background position property. The reason 1 50% and two 50% generate the same result is because you'll only assign one value to the background property. The second value will be set to 50% by the system automatically. The conclusion of this lesson is, if the window is bigger than the image and you want to locate the image to the window center, you can assign center to the background position property or assign one or two 50% to it.